Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you hit that subscriber button, like, comment, and share. Um, Last night it was epic, guys. It got so crazy. I mean, I've never seen so many comments so fast in the music industry, mostly hip hop. Venda. So what happened is Zori Osika Une Stan and Road Kid a statement stating that they are going their separate ways. Empire Artist Management Agency never represent Wanga Stan, yeah, manager Road Kid was going to have a mutual agreement, so they're no longer going to be working together as a team. So this comes after a very intense business meeting that they have, reviewing everything and all the work they've been doing together. And then at the end, they decided, no, it's best to go our separate ways, starting a new year in a good, in a good note, but separately. Even this thing saying remaining good friends and helping each other there and there, but they're no longer gonna be working together fully. Then, if you check the Road Kid status, you'll see that he also posted that he's now independent and no longer have a manager but a team. So most people might not understand which if a team or manager, because I've seen most of the people, mostly artists, posting saying uh, this and that about Stan, this and that about Road Kid, how he doesn't need a manager, how he had made it, and all that. People don't understand that as an artist, mostly you focus on doing your music. You focus on working on your craft, your music, and all whatever that may be endorsement, whatever that comes your way that your team can bring. Here we're talking about you need to have people that will handle your music, making sure that your music is getting into different radio stations and is getting played. So they follow up on all these things, making sure that your music is actually delivered where it's supposed to be. And they also handles your music to go on digital stores and being distributed throughout all these digital platforms. You also gonna have some people that will handle your publications. Publication, I'm talking about people that will get you interviews, people that will get you articles, like you being interviewed on magazine, blogs, podcasts, TV, radio. Those people handles that and they make sure that you get it. So you have people that are dedicated to different tasks within your team and they handle your work. So that's where when we talk about a team. So I don't know what was happening. I know that Stan have been managing him. They've done great work together. So in the music industry, we people grow, people change, people need or want different things as time goes on from what you initially agreed on when you started. So maybe you'll find that now Rootkid has a different direction that he wants to take, and he feels that he needs to put together his own team, But at the end of the day, it still goes back as management because they will still be managing his work, which is what the manager does. Manager manage your work. You can't have a manager when he has nothing to manage. No. So those are the kind of things I feel or maybe it's about to happen. So they've gone the separate ways, and the comments, man, it's crazy how you see people saying things, some swearing, some saying things that are so nasty, like literally so bad. I mean, I've even seen Makazi being told to shut up because she's not allowed to comment on the post. So it tells you again that you get to see that people only defend you when mostly they want comments, not really that they're defending you. Because some of these people, they're the same people that have been defending Makazi, and they'll call themselves Makazi diehard fans. But what really happened yesterday when now they go after her on Rude Kid's post when she was saying she wishes that they can resolve their issues, they can continue to work together, because the industry, everybody knows, it's a cutthroat, man. It's a dog-eat-dog industry. We've been there. We've seen the worst, man. We've seen different contracts and all that. But somebody want to tell you about a record deal that they have never seen a single contract in their life in the industry. Some of them, they just, yeah, artists, but they've never really made it to the artistry stage. Like, get your point where you'll say, yeah, this is definitely an artist. They're just an upcoming or a minimal artist, you know. They don't have categories yet. But yeah, man, the issues about Distant and Road Kid, they have gone their separate ways. What do you think, guys, about this?